Hello, I'm your AI assistant. Welcome to Women Over 40, Mastering AI. If tech feels noisy or rushed, you're not alone. Maybe you don't have hours to learn, the jargon puts you off, or you worry about pressing the wrong button. Here, we keep it simple, calm, and practical. Each week, you'll get one short video in plain English showing you what to click, why it matters, and a mini checklist so you can pause and try at your own pace. We focus on beginner basics, ChatGPT, Canva, Gemini, and other friendly tools, plus very simple automations for everyday tasks, tidier emails, a clearer weekly plan, and straightforward content. No jargon, no pressure, no big promises, just small steps that make life a little easier and build AI confidence over time. New video every week. Subscribe if that sounds helpful. I'm your AI assistant. Let's take this one calm step at a time.